I'm Miss Kim.
And today we're going to do some science with you. So, we're going to make rain cloud in a cup. All you need for this activity, some water, preferably in a pitcher so they can pour, shaving cream, food coloring. Well, it's optional, but you'll be able to see the rain better. Spoon to mix, and a turkey baster. You can use a spoon if you don't have one, but for extra added fun, use a turkey baster. So we're going to start and do it for the older ages, like even 2-year-olds can do it, 2 to 5, and then Miss Kim is going to adapt it for the babies. So here's what we're going to do. We need 2 cups too. So first you can talk about, look at the materials and have them make a prediction. And use that vocabulary word and explain to them that a prediction is a guess. Have them make, what do you think we're going to do with these materials? Once they guess, tell them we're going to make a rain cloud. And you can relate this to spring, even though it doesn't quite feel like spring. You can say it is spring, and in the springtime it rains a lot, and talk about how the rain helps things grow. So ask them what things grow, and have them answer you. Then we're going to start the experiment. So first, take your first cup and pour it in about 3/4 of the way full. And it's really important they do the pouring, because that's a life skill that they need. So even the younger ones, you can just kind of do some hand over hand and help them pour. So pour it about 3/4 full, and if they go over, totally okay, no worries, just dump a little bit out. The important thing is they're doing it themselves. Then we'll fill the other one, just a little whatever you think is good, to put the food coloring in. So this is going to be our rain. So we're going to fill our rain with some food coloring, and they might need help with this part. Well, that's okay. Fill it up, mix that up nice and good, and tell them this is going to be their rain. And definitely tell them we're going to use our imagination so they know it's not real, but this is what we're going to do. And then you have our air. So tell them, because air is clear, so this is our air, and here's our rain. So then we're going to make our clouds. And you can talk to them about the different kinds of clouds to even get more advanced. And our clouds are going to be our shaving cream. And later, we're going to adapt the shaving cream activity for the babies. So you're going to put your clouds, your shaving cream, on top of your water. There's your beautiful cloud. Then we're going to put the rain on the cloud. And this is where you can use some more vocabulary words and talk about how clouds absorb the rain. So you're going to have it absorb the water. So take your turkey baster and show them how it works, and let them fill up the water. Now you can do it in slow drops to fill up the cloud, but I'm going to speed the process along and kind of dump it on there for you. So as the water is absorbed into the shaving cream, you can see how it's going to start to rain. So you can talk about the more water is in the clouds, that's when it's going to start to rain, because the clouds absorb the water. So there you can see it start to rain. There is your final product, and you can watch it rain. So that's an experiment you can do with the preschool age kiddos. And Miss Kim is going to teach you how to adapt that for the babies.
All right, hello. The little ones, we're going to do the shaving cream in a bag. So just need a gallon-sized bag, or any bag would work. And then you just take your shaving cream and spray it in. You don't have to put too much in. Shake it down a little bit. And then you can mix colors. We're going to use yellow, so put a few drops of yellow in there. And then we're going to use blue, and we'll put a few drops of blue in there. Close it back on, and then you can get some of the air out of it. Use it a little bit, and then seal it up. You could also probably tape the top of it so it wouldn't open. And then you could have the baby put it down, have the little one push it around, mix the colors, get their fine motors going, talk about how it feels, squishy, soft, and eventually as they play with it, the colors will mix together. And you talk about what color it will eventually make as you keep pushing. And you could really, you can always just do it with shaving cream if you don't have food coloring too. So you can feel the different texture and stuff like that. It looks like a cloud. There you go.
Perfect. And this is also something you can do at the preschool age, because I'm sure they'll love to feel it, because you can also put it on the table. I wouldn't recommend food coloring on the table, but you can use like washable paints or even just the shaving cream and let them get that texture and that experience. The shaving cream is really good for cleaning tables, and we want to clean right now, so you can definitely put that on the table. And it's really important at the end too to document their experience and document their learning. So you can give them a piece of paper, crayons, pencils, whatever you have, and have them document what they learned about and their conclusion. So little kids can just color on the paper, color with those colors, and the older ones they can start to write about it in their own writing, and you can write underneath. And just document what they did with these science activities. So we hope you enjoyed our science activities, and stay safe and wash those hands. Thanks, bye.
Bye.